Hello to all of you. I'm going to guide you today. Use the TikTok software so we can scan the data when you upload it on the TikTok platform. This is the main interface of the software. Help us manage unlimited TikTok accounts. We're going to scan data. Here we will have the part where we can scan the data. The first user is the video comment scanner. Here we will get the video link and scan out the commenters. Next is to scan the accounts by keyword. And then there's the next thing. We can scan the followers or following of any accounts. I'm going to go to any TikTok now to be able to scan data. For example, the keyword crypto. Then we'll be able to scan follower of this channel, or we can scan it. The people who comment it in these videos. For example, there are people who comment like this. Then we can scan it. And we'll put the link in there. Comment here. You can have multiple links at the same time. Then we'll select the accounts to scan. Now I will set up how many comments to scan. I will set up a 200 comment demo. Then press this operation. The software will automatically scan for us. This video has 7 comments. I have scanned these 7 comments. I'll scan out another video with more comments. Set it to 1000. Then when we scan, we'll scan out everyone who commented on that video. And there's content too. What is the content people comment on? This part we can scan out the commenters. And we're going to text people automatically or follow it automatically. There you can see, the envelope has been scanned over 300 times. And we will be able to extract this data, Excel or just copy these commenters. For example, let's export this data to Excel. Then we will be able to see the people. This link profile. The commenter is this one. There is also comment content. Next time, I will be able to scan things. The following follower. We can leave the TikTok ID here. For example, I'll leave this ID. Click here, and we also choose how many of these accounts to scan. I'll just scan the demo for about 500 people. One more time. Then this part we can be supportive of is to scan out the potential customers above the video comments. Then go to automatic messaging in the viral marketing section. Okay, my clip. This is the end. Bye everyone and see you soon. The following clips.